This is Impact from the University of California, Merced.
$100, which children and the underprivileged do not have. There's no way for them to compete.
People don't normally think of conflict as being good. However, UC Merced researchers are studying heated arguments to better understand the human mind and how people behave. When people agree, they often synchronize their thoughts and actions, such as gesturing in the same way. The phenomenon is called synchrony. Cognitive science researchers are investigating what happens to people's thoughts, actions, and speech when those lines of communication are strained.
We're incredibly complex in the behavior that we exhibit, and our understanding of it's actually fairly weak at the moment. I mean, how on earth do we use all these channels simultaneously while we're interacting with each other? Because it seems so incredibly complex.
Graduate student Alexandra Paxton tapes the arguments and uses a computer program to analyze a participant's movements. She can then see how their body movements change. Preliminary results show that the rate of synchrony in basic body movements goes down when people argue. She plans to expand her study to include language.
And we'll figure out, in conflict, do people pick up on each other's phrases and do they bounce them back and forth, or do they resist that?
The results could someday be used in clinical situations to help solve problems among teens in juvenile facilities.
If we could figure out how synchrony works during conflict, maybe we could come up with a treatment for these kids that have this breakdown in synchrony.
Counselors would be able to use the same tools as Paxton to evaluate how a patient is handling conflict.
Maybe try to use synchrony as a way to get them to get in touch with their friends, with their peers, and try to have them, get in touch with people better.
This is Eric Alvarez reporting.
For more news about the University of California, Merced, visit our website.